This is how trading should be. This is how trading should be. Nice and easy. Looking at US oil today, we can see that there are points of interest where the price might go to. This price here has just been taken. These are areas where stop orders have been placed. This stop order here was placed because people are speculating for the price to go down. However, as you can see, if they've kept their stop in, and if they are doing a 2-to-1, which most people do, 2-to-1 or higher, we will see that this candle is 77 points. So they're going to be looking for something about 150 points to get their money back. It's not there. It hasn't reached there, so they're still in the market. However, the price has reversed and has taken their stops. As you can see, the price took their stops maybe yesterday with this massive bullish candle here. It's taking their stops, so they're out of the market. So that can no longer be green. That is grey now. They've greyed out. These people at the bottom, they're gone. These people are next. They're just above it. They put their stops there, speculating it for it to go down. It's kind of reversing them a bit. Now we've got areas here, 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 and here, which are great points of interest. If the price reverses and looks for a sell-off, these are the areas, the price points that we're looking to go to. There's a bit of money here if we want to buy it. If we want to buy the stock, there's a bit of money here, not much. However, the price might even go to these areas here. These are points of interest as well where the prices may go to. So I'm just going to keep my eye on it to see where the price might want to go to today. But that's how it stands at the moment. A lot of people have been taken out of the market. And it's also it may look like he's going to sell off today. It may look like he's going to sell off. We have a buy signal here. The price has reversed. As you can see, the price was going down. It went down with a large candle here. We've just got a buy signal here. Price is not looking to go not that far up from where it is. Hopefully we can get something out of the market, but time will tell. Take profit is not too far from where we are. We want maybe a 1-to-1 on this trade. There's not much in it, as the analysis states. If it's going up, it's maybe going up about 15 points or so. It's gone up a bit already, which is a good thing. I'm just watching it. I don't want it to reverse completely on me straight away. I would like it to go to one of those higher points, but I cannot tell how it's going to react today, honestly, because there's no real clear price points that it's going for. It's shot up a bit, but it's kind of slowed down immediately, so that could indicate anything. It's not really an indication to me. Our mental stop has been shown. This is our mental stop here. This is our hard stop here. Our take profit is around this area here. Our first take profit is about a 1-to-1, which is roughly around this area here. But even a bit lower than that. Really, our take profit zone is about here. That's where our take profit zone is. If we can get into that zone, I'd rather just take that and leave. Got a nice strong bullish candle. Just wanted to go a bit further up, see if it can help us out today. I like the fact that we got a sell signal beforehand, which reversed off the 200-day moving average. I like that. What I don't like is, like I said, I cannot find specific areas of interest. This is what I do not like. They are quite far away. There are some that are quite far away. I don't know if they're looking to go to those price points today or not. But if we can get into this area, this zone here, we'll be quite fine. If we can get into this area here, this point of interest here, which we're talking about taking these people out, it seems to have reached them. Maybe a bit more, just a little bit more from them, just to make sure everyone comes out of that market there is what is needed. Just a little bit more. Like I said, these points of interest here are brilliant if it can go to this area, but I cannot be sure about it. It really doesn't want to get into that zone. Look at it. It's really tinkering right on this line that we created, like it knows that we put this line there. That's in the zone. You know what? That's a 1-to-1 to me. That's just about over 1-to-1. That's enough for me. I'm fine. That only took 10 minutes. We got 10 points out of that. 11 to be precise. That's fine for me. I've done it. We risked about 9 points and we got 11 points back. That's fine. Last time I tried to do something to take more money out of the market, which was not there, and it cost me. It was almost like I didn't need to do that. I had a 2-to-1 trade. I took it and I wanted 3-to-1, 4-to-1. It didn't happen. I lost the 2-to-1. It doesn't make sense. So sometimes you just take it. It seemed easy today. I'm not even going to lie. That was a very easy trade. It was very easy, but it worked. And because it was easy, it doesn't mean that we didn't do the preparation to get it how it was, and we didn't know what we were doing, etc., etc. It seemed easy. I do understand that, but sometimes just take the easy one. And it was a good trade. I'm happy with that. We risked 9, got 11. I think that's good. That's over a 1-to-1 at the moment, and that was the 5-10 minutes we were in that trade. Literally 2 candles. So as I said, if we go back to the hourly chart, there are points of interest which the price might go to. And this area here, this one here has just been taken. People have put their stops there because they anticipate the price to go down. Their price has just been taken. It may go up a bit further and deal with these people on the left here, these people here, and these people here. But they are not natural stop loss areas. It's possible it can go up to there, but I'm not too sure whether it would go to these prices or not. The real big one is up here. This is a massive area of interest. See this area here? These 2 areas of interest are huge. There's a lot of stop losses up there, anticipating for the price to go down. So it's just a question of whether it wants to go up a bit further or not. It might do, it might not. I cannot tell. However, I'm really believe that the price will go down today because there's a lot of action in these areas here. These are the areas where there's a lot of money to be taken. So I'm expecting the price to reverse on us this today or tomorrow or whatnot. I'm expecting it to reverse and take these stops, and we're waiting for sell signals. Once we get them, we're in the game. But this was a very easy trade. I'm happy for this trade because yesterday it was a bit of a nightmare. It kept cat and mousing me all over the place. It was really bad. But this one, we didn't want too much. We didn't stay in too long. We just took what we were given and left. If you have any questions or you want me to do a particular video, or if there's something you need to be taught, let me know. I'm here to help. So drop me a comment. Drop me a like, subscribe to the channel, subscribe.